seat. When I'm fucking hella caught up, double C, but Chanel, cause you bad, bad, bad. Running up a socket like a cookie when you worry, let you ride into your rap, and you're bad, bad, bad. No plan, no Atari, I won't play with you for nothing. I can eat you like hibachi, cause you bad, bad, bad. I just to the doors, all the guinea, now I'm riding and I'm sliding in the sideways, now she call me her zaddy. Rich nigga shit up on my daddy, you new petty. Got a model, gotta think he gotta be, I'm gotta stay. You got $1 million corporation, fuckers, any. I got millions to go get in a couple bitches.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing my makeup with you guys. I believe I'm going to try something new, or I'm going to put my concealer on before I put my foundation on. So we're going to see how this goes, and yeah, it may be my new makeup routine, depends on how it comes out. Without further ado, let's get to it. Alright guys, so first I'm going to be starting off with my MAC Prime Setting Spray. And then I'm going to be going in with the Tarte concealer. I think it's in the color Deep Honey. And I'm just going to conceal my under eyes. Y'all, I'm not sure how I felt about concealing my eyes before doing my makeup. I didn't really see a difference. Y'all let me know if y'all saw a difference, but your girl didn't. So, I mean, you know. Alright y'all, so another little neat trick that I like is taking my setting spray, my Studio Fix Prime setting spray, and spraying my beauty blender and then blending my concealer out. I feel like this just gives more of a flawless blend, and I like it. So y'all try that out and let me know how y'all like it too. And now our eyebrows is done, and now our eyebrows. Y'all, my crazy self ain't even show y'all what foundation that I'm using. So in this video I am using NARS in the color Tahoe. Y'all, I love this foundation. It's very pigmented and it does oxidize, so it's gonna look crazy right now, but later in the video you guys will see how well it blends into my skin. So yeah, and I'm just gonna blend that on out, you know. So here I am going back in with that same concealer and that Tarte concealer. It is in the color, I'm sorry, it's Tan Deep Honey, y'all. Tan Deep Honey. So I'm going back in with that, and then I'm going to blend that out as well. Alright y'all, so now I'm going to be taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Mahogany. Now y'all, I don't even really have a cream concealer right now that I actually like, so I just tried this out. I just started using the Morphe concealer in the color F4 110. It's matte. I don't know if that's even the color, but whatever. So usually I just take that and I blend upwards, so that way it blends into my cheekbones. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking that Alexis Ren by Colourpop. It's a contour powder and highlight duo set. So I'm just going to take that and contour my nose with a powder. And then you guys will see me take that with that same brush that I used to contour my cheekbones and go back in with that same color to give it more of a definition. Alright y'all, so in this video I didn't even show y'all, but I did, but I didn't show y'all all the way. I'm using the Morphe and Jacklyn Hill palette, the Armed and Gorgeous palette. Right now I am going in with that dark color, the Smooth Criminal color, and taking that through my crease and blending that out. Alright, so next I'm going to be going in with this color right beside Smooth Criminal, which is Secure. And I am just going to blend that into the inner corners in the middle part of my crease. And then I'm going to do the same on the other eye. And then I'm going to take the color Agent, which is a lighter color, to basically blend both of those colors together and smooth out any harsh lines at the top. Here you're going to see me go back into Smooth Criminal and just deepen up the outer corners of my eyes to make it really flawless. Now, I did cut my crease off camera, y'all. It's so hard for hooded eyes to cut the crease, but as you can see, I have a little bit of product because I didn't let it dry, and I used another product, but whatevs. Right now, I'm just going to bake while I go back in with that lid color. I guess I finally decided to show y'all what palette I was using and what color. So on my lid, I'm taking the color Coin. Y'all, this color is so pigmented. I love how bright and how pigmented it is on me. It definitely makes me feel like a bag of money. So I'm just going to pack that in on my lid and work that all the way through. Alright, y'all, so I'm taking this L'Oreal Truematch blush in the color Soft Sun. I just got into the blush game, y'all, but I love this stuff. Alright, guys, so of course I put my highlighter, my lashes, and I did my lips, and on my bottom lashes. I did all of that off camera, so now I'm going to go back in and set with my Anastasia's Beverly Hills Dewy Set Setting Spray. Love this stuff. Watch. Alright, guys, so I have finished doing my makeup. This is the final look. So if you guys like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.